How to use the remote ID module correctly. 4 ways to install. 1. Stick one side of Velcro on the module and the other on the drone. 2. Use double-sided tape to attach it. 3. Use the zip tie to secure one side, place the module on the FPV drone, and lock the other side. Trim the extra. 4. Attach a zip tie with an adhesive base to the drone strap and lock the module in place. Mount the module on the drone and wait 20 to 30 seconds until the middle light stays on and the right one blinks, showing GPS search is done. Suggested installation location. Incorrect installation tips. Keep it away from propellers. Avoid placing it near the drone's GPS to prevent interference. Don't stick it on the drone's underside.